Okay, I think it's working now. So, okay. Okay, I'm live. Okay, okay, let me just test it. Okay, I've already downloaded PHP. So the next step now is to, and then I learned how to actually run things. So I think now I will have to learn PHP basics just to so I'm already done this. And then okay. Okay, then how to do variables for PHP. So just say, for example, let's just say first. So I think it's how we need it. You just say the one, then the last one, and then I'll just say why this thing is like giving me oh, so you just I've seen something that says when you run PHP, like when you do a single code, so it won't work. if I'm not mistaken. Let me just test that. When you do a single quote, it won't work, so it will, so it doesn't work. I don't know this thing. And then when you do like a single quote, then it will work. Okay, if I save the thing and run it, so it should say hello John Doe. Something something line 5. Does it say undefined variable first name? Oh, I forgot the first. Hello John Doe. Yeah, so it's working. And then I'll just say H and dash. Let's just say 30. And then I don't like this thing. Just gonna let me try this thing. I am and then H. Yes. Old. Okay, let me just save. So you just write everything on the same line. Okay. Let me see PHP. Does it prettier? Does prettier? Okay, let me check this. What does it do? IntelliSense formatter, code fixing, limiting, refactoring. Okay, let me, I think it's a legit one. Okay, let me check something. Okay, we'll use it later. Do I need to put that? Okay. I think I will do this for a new line. Okay, let me check. Hello, okay, getting there. Okay, now okay, so this is how you comment. Let's see first task, and then second task. And then just close this thing and remove this. Okay. So this is a comment. This is cool. And then you can write, this is a Dodge block comment. Okay. Okay, let me just do this. Okay, so all true float strings object none. So this is a string. Let's see. So it comes with var dump. So let's dump the first name, and then let's dump the last name and age, and then let's run. Okay, let's just do this. No. So okay, so it says that this is the string for John, and then this is Doe, a string, or it's on pointer 3. This is on pointer 4. I think it says that it's referencing the string, and then it says this is integer 30. Yeah. So let's say we can use dump built-in function to get the value of a variable. Oh, this is the value of this variable, and then this is the value. This is the value. We'll tab, okay, saying that value is 20 and it's an integer. So let's do task 3. Let's do car. What are these thing operations here? So we are learning operations. So we're gonna have like let's say A is equal to 1, and then B is equal to 2, and then so answer is equal to A, so is equal to A plus B, and then yeah, I'm gonna save. If I can hit run. Oh, I didn't echo it, so if I say echo, is it echo? So it's like console. I think, yeah, it's like console. And then I'm gonna say, answer is yeah, and then answer is 3. Okay, so it's working. This is addition, and then I'm gonna do echo so addition answer is okay. I want to see something. Subtraction answer is, so we're gonna say a okay, let me do this. Answer. I think it needs this, and then I will say answer is equal to, so it's gonna be equal to a, so a minus b, like that. So I think it's gonna work. It's gonna be -1, right? So the subtraction answer is -1. Yeah, I actually understand it. So this is plus, I think it's literally the same thing that I already know, so I don't have to stay much. Same with this. I know this returns true if two operands are equal. And this returns true if the two operands are identical. This is true. I see. This is false because this is like a character, and then this is a number, so they are not identical. They are equal. No, so the 1 is equal to 1. So I think it tries to convert this to a number, and then it equates to 1. But this one, it looks at the type first, I think. So it's gonna say this is a number, and then this is like a jar, so they are not identical. So basically it works the same as other languages. And also with the and, so you put double and. I think a lot of you can choose which one you like. I think I will go with this one. And then or operator, XOR. Yeah, and then this is how you do boolean. Yeah, you can even check it like that. Okay, if it's not true, then do a. Okay, so let me just test it. And then I'll just say test is equal to false. So it's false. And then I will say if it's if test, if it's false, and then I'll just echo this is not true. And then I'll save. I think it's gonna say this is not true. This is not true because this one is false. And then let me see, else I'm gonna echo and say this is true. So I'm gonna echo, sorry, again, just satisfy it. And then I'm gonna say true, and yeah. This is true, yeah. So it works like this. So this is the same, this is the same, this is the same. Nothing new here. Concatenation of two strings. So you can do it like this. String length. This is like a built-in function, right? Let me check. Yeah, it is. It is like a built-in function. So and then I'll say echo mm, 11. Yeah, it's like a built-in function. Subtract, substring, string replace. So I have name, which is Flavio, and then I will replace Flavio with owner. So I'll replace this, and then it's gonna be like, oh, okay. So string to uppercase, string to lowercase, makes the first character. This is great. You don't, yeah, this is good. so you don't have to like separate, like split and stuff. I think it does all that. Finds the first occurrence of substring in the string. Explode to split a string into an array. Oh, it's like split. So you're splitting it into an array. Okay, let me just echo this real quick. And I'll say, sorry, I'll just say first name dot I think you do it like this. Explode. I think this is how you do it. What does it mean? I'm going to check how it sees. Oh, this. Oh, I see the separate. So the separate, let's just say okay, why is it like remove the redundant? The admin post on arc was expected to be type string. Okay, I don't understand. We'll just check it later. Okay, let me just test it. Yeah. What is it? Is it like me or something? Oh, I don't know what is the problem. Huh? What's going on? It says 9:44. What's going on with 9:44? Okay, let me just save this. I don't understand. No, no, it's working. I'm trying to do. Maybe it doesn't. The separator must not be empty. Oh, why the separator shouldn't be that? Okay. What if I want to explode this? So this means I can't. Let me check this out. Why can't you this? You encounter an error. Explode requires an empty string. Your code as an empty string, which PHP does not allow. The modern PHP this is enforced strictly. Oh, there is use space string into integer character. Oh, I see. So explode, it's like, I don't understand that. It should like be, then I'll have to like to echo. Now I have to echo this. Let me see if that's the correct. Then can it like when in array to string? Okay, so I think it you have to like, because it has like a for each, so you can use like a for loop for each. So I understand now. Okay, so it shouldn't be empty, so explode. Okay, this is like map, so round to round it this one. It's either up or down. Okay, so this is what it does. Okay, let's see. So it's run by 0.5. When it runs down, then it runs up. It's gonna run up again. 0. So means okay. So it means, does it mean so it's float 3, float 4, so it rounds up because it's 0. And then if it's 2, so it's gonna round 2 things. Okay, so it works with yeah, so it's gonna round this. Oh, we're running up, we're running down here. So this means you're running down by 2. So it's gonna like be 5. So it's gonna be 3, 0, 0. Because you are running down by 2. Does it mean this is 0? I think this one doesn't matter. I'll have to learn it by myself. It's like the same thing. Okay. So this is how they work. That's it. Max mean rand generates it generates a random number. Begin so you can put like a range or something. Okay. Is name, is it like not a number? Is it like not a number? Okay. This is how you define like an empty array. I think I'll go with this one. I don't like this. This is how you define initialize with values. Okay. Same. It has an array and a number is a value, which also has a number in the string. Okay. So list element. Once an array is created, you can append to it. It's weird. This is weird. Unshift, which means you put it at the beginning. And then is there like a shift where you put it at that? So unshift, let's unshift, count, count an array, and then check if array contains an item using an array, like a built-in. Does it contain B? So yes, it contains. Okay. Array search, if in an additional confirm existence, you need the index is Oh, it returns the index of it. This is cool. Unique reduce. Okay. Now I'm getting there. And then the switch is like the same. Nothing different. Even like with the while loop increment DY also it's like the same for each one that we did. So list as a key to value. You can get a value of an index or a key and then associate it in this way. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. We can continue nothing new. So this is how you create like a function, and then this is how you call the function. Actually nothing new. I'm done for the day. I'm exploring right now. I have a long day. Really long day. At least now, like I have like actually think tomorrow. Then I'm gonna do the PHP object oriented. But it's like the same thing though. Nothing different from what I will do in PHP. Yeah, I'm out.